Okay, so you can see it's working. I don't know if there's any sort of tweak, but there's a little screech at the end. But I believe that the door is working properly. I have the cover off. I have to clean that, get some grease on it. But everything's tightened up. The wire's put back. It's going up and down nicely. I'll show you again. That's a big relief. I don't have to run out every time that someone's coming home to open the door. Yeah, so that's all set up now. One thing I wanted to mention is that when you disconnect the rail from the motor unit, you don't need to disconnect it in the back. If you can get the wires loosened up, then you should be able to just slide that whole unit back once you disconnect it. I propped it up with this box and this yoga block, but you could probably prop it up with a ladder and some wood or something, or you could have a friend help you out, I guess. But the thing is, once you get that slid back, you slide this unit all the way back, and then you can just reach in there, take the old piece out. This is the coupling, and then put the new coupling in, and then slide it back. It bolts up right here. These two bolts. You slide this that way to remove the coupling, and then you slide it back to connect it up. So there's two spindles. There's a spindle in the back motor, and then there's a spindle in the front that connects to this screw drive. And that's it. And then I had to adjust these, and the nice thing about these is you can adjust them as much as you want, and they don't screw in or out. So it's some sort of contactless adjustment. I don't know the technology behind it, but I was able to get it to adjust pretty easily. That's it. That's all I can think of for right now. Hope that's helpful.